Hi, second grade scholars. It's Miss L. Welcome to lesson 7 of Wit and Wisdom. As Miss Daly mentioned in yesterday's lesson, we are moving away from writing paragraphs and we are doing some more close exploration of the text. So today we are going to look at the Digestive System text by Jennifer Pryor, and we are going to identify the author's purpose in a text. When I say author's purpose, what I mean is the reason an author writes a book. So their purpose is their reason. Why did that author write that book? There are a few different reasons why authors write books. I want you to stop and think. What are some reasons authors might write books? Think of the books you've read before. There are many reasons why authors write books. Here are just a few. To entertain or to make readers laugh. Tap your head if you've ever read a book that has made you laugh or that has entertained you. I sure have. To teach you new things. Finger on your nose if you've ever learned something new from a book. Me too. To explain to you how to do things. I think of a cookbook being an example of that. Or to describe an experience. Maybe they're telling you about something that's happened before. We know that as second graders, we've actually done some writing, and our purpose has been to describe someone's experience. So we've written for that reason before. There are many different reasons, like I said, for authors to write books, and we are going to explore the purpose of the digestive system today. So what reason did Jennifer Pryor write this text? The way that we're going to do that is we are going to jump into the text and look at some of the pages to try and figure out, what is this text about? What is this telling us? So I'm looking at one of the first pages in the text, page 8. And up here, the heading says the digestive system. The digestive tract is about 27 feet long. It begins with the mouth. It includes the pharynx and the esophagus. It also includes the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Did you know the digestive system knows when food is coming? This happens even before you eat. When you see, smell, or even think about a tasty treat, the brain tells your body to get ready for food. Your mouth starts to water and the digestive system gears up for a feast. And there's a caption here about why it's important to eat healthy foods. So, when thinking about the author's purpose on this page, get ready. Do you think the purpose is to tell us that A, your mouth waters, B, you should only eat salad and other healthy foods, or C, is it to tell us about the digestive system? Think of your answer. If you guessed C, that the author's purpose on this page is to tell us about the digestive system, you are correct. If we look in the text, it tells us different facts about the digestive system. So the purpose is to tell us all about the digestive system. Great, let's try some more. This section is called When Things Go Wrong. Sometimes there are problems that happen in the digestive system. These problems can be quite uncomfortable. It's important to learn what causes these digestion problems so you can prevent them. It talks about vomiting. Have you ever been sick to your stomach? This can happen for many reasons. Sometimes a person vomits after eating spoiled foods. This is called food poisoning. Vomiting can also happen when someone eats too much or gets dizzy when spinning or running. And there's a section on heartburn and ulcers. Heartburn is another problem that happens in the digestive system. It's not related to the heart. It is usually caused by eating or drinking too much. A stomach ulcer can be very painful. It is caused when the lining of the stomach gets weak. Then, acid in the stomach bothers the lining and makes a sore. So remember, we've read about when things go wrong in the digestive system. We've read about vomiting, heartburn, and ulcers. So, another question for you. What is the author trying to tell us on these pages? What is the purpose of telling us about that? Is it A, that it's not safe to ride roller coasters? B, there are things that can go wrong with our digestive system? Or C, you should never eat cheeseburgers? What were those pages trying to tell me? Let's look again. When things go wrong, vomiting, heartburn, ulcers. What are they trying to tell me? Think about it. Get your answer in your brain. Give me a thumbs up when you've got it. If you chose B, give yourself a cheer. That's right. This page is telling us there are things that can go wrong with our digestive system. We know that because it's titled When Things Go Wrong, and it talks to us about specific things that can go wrong. Heartburn and ulcers, for example. Great work, second grade. There are a couple more places that we can look that can tell us about the author's purpose. We, of course, can look at the cover page and think about the title of the text, the digestive system. And we can look at the table of contents to give us an idea of what is this text about? What is in here? Eat your vegetables, no guts, no glory, the digestive system, when things go wrong, one amazing machine. Oh, look, here's some more information. There's lots of graphics or visuals in this nonfiction text that can really help us figure out, why are we reading this text? What is it supposed to provide for us? So I'm looking at a picture of a person and all of the parts of the digestive system are labeled. And then here it says this is a diagram of the human stomach, how the stomach digests food. So I want you to think now, after looking at all of those pages, after looking at the table of contents, the title, and some of the pictures in the text, what do you think is the author's purpose for writing this book? Why did Jennifer Pryor write this book? What did she want to tell us? A, to tell us we should only eat vegetables. B, to teach us about the digestive system and how digestion happens. Or C, to show us icky pictures of the stomach. A, B, or C? Think about it. If you guessed B, give yourself a pat on the back, second grade. You got it. The purpose for writing this book is to teach us about the digestive system and how digestion happens. Of course, it does talk about the importance of eating vegetables, and it does show us some pictures of the stomach, whether you think they're icky or not. But the whole purpose, the whole reason for writing this book is to teach us about the digestive system. Great job, second grade. Now, I want to run through some new vocabulary terms that we've learned through studying the digestive system. I'm going to give you a little hint here. One of these is going to be your secret code word that you have to type in for your assignment today. So listen carefully. The first word is saliva. Say saliva. Good job. Saliva is the liquid in your mouth. Sometimes you call it spit. Sometimes it looks like drool. Any of the liquid in your mouth is, that's right, saliva. The next word is belch. Say belch. Great job. To belch is to burp. And the last one is bacteria. Say bacteria. Little louder. Oh, I think I even heard some of you. Great. Bacteria is tiny, one-celled living things that can cause diseases. So there's good bacteria and bad bacteria. The bad bacteria can cause disease. Now, today, take a look at the word belch. The word belch, which means to burp, is your secret code word for the day. When you're done with this video lesson, you're going to close out and open the Google form, and they're going to ask you to type in your name and the secret code word for the day. What is the secret code word for the day? Yep, belch. Great job, second grade. See you later.